Recorded.
Hello.
O sige, o. Test. Recorded.
Hello.
O sige, oy. Ang kwana, magkanta tag happy birthday. Stop. Oy. Ang kwana, magkanta tag happy birthday. Stop.
It's good.
Masarap?
Kumbaga sa bupalo, layo eh, no?
So, anong wish mo for the new year?
New Year.
Amor.
Ako
Bernadette, do you know that it's the birthday of your aunt, honey?
Yes, I greeted her this morning.
Ah, okay. So, anong wish mo for the new year?
More happiness.
Wow.
2011.
Ah, okay. How about your love life?
No,
Hi, Matt. What can you say for the new year? What is your wish?
Magpabutog.
Pagpuputok lang ko siya.
Pyrox.
Okay, so ano yung wish mo for your auntie Honey? Tita Honey.
Mapi ko.
Ha? Namahappy ka? Okay. Hi.
Hello.
So, ano yung mga wishes mo for the new year?
For the new year, actually I've been very blessed by 2010. I hope more blessings for 2011.
Yeah, I heard na real estate magnate ka na sa Valencia.
More real estate to come.
Ah, okay. Alright. Moses, say hi to your Tita Honey.
Hello, hi.
How about to Josh?
Hi, Josh.
Sige, game.
Hi, Josh. How are you, Josh?
Give a short message to Joshua and Easy.
Easy. You're so cute.
Ah, okay.
Until you are in the America.
Alright. Okay, bye. Hi, Yoyoy. Musta?
Okay lang.
So, how's the food?
Good.
So, what is your wish for the new year?
Happiness and good health and wisdom.
Ah, okay. How about your message to Tito Kenneth?
I'll be black belt next year.
Ah, okay. Okay, you're on. So, hi, Mother.
Hi, honey. Happy birthday. We miss you. I wish you good health, more blessings, and happiness.
So, when are you going to New York?
Hope to see you next year.
So, hi, Dimple.
Hi.
So, what is your fashion statement for tonight?
I feel like I'm a Hawaiian girl.
So, what is your, what are you looking forward for 2011?
2011, good health, stable job.
Ah, okay. So, how's your love life?
Okay lang, fine.
So, anong message mo for Honey?
Honey, happy birthday, sis. Thank you for being such a sister and ate to me. Hope you... Come on. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the lechon.
Okay, so what can you say to Easy and Josh?
Hi, Iz and Josh. Stay good. And, pabadlong ni mong mami.
Okay. Okay.
Hi, honey. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best for 2011. It's the year of the rabbit, so I don't know if it's good for the year of the dragon. But anyway, good luck, good health, God bless you. Okay? Yeah, I also know that it's good for the year of the dog, so I'm happy. Okay, thanks, and enjoy your new year in New York. Hi to Ken, and to Tita Paz, and to Tito Tom, and May, and Butchok, and Boogie, and also Josh and Easy, of course. I love you all.
Okay, record na. So, anong masasabi mo for Honey, Ken, and for the New Year 2011?
Honey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To Honey, happy birthday.
Ano, masarap bang lechon?
Ang sarap, honey, ng lechon.
Oh, so anong message nyo kay Kenneth?
Kenneth, dapat bumalik na kayo rito. Nandito lang talaga yung life.
Hope to see you soon.
Hindi, kita mo, nasa snow. Nakita ko, hindi kayo na makalabas.
Dito ang init eh.
Pero dito napakainit, tignan mo.
Okay. Enough?
I'll see you next year.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Okay, bye. Okay, go.
Hello, Han. Happy birthday. You read your inbox. It's all there. Happy New Year. Happy birthday. Ano to? You read your inbox.
Game.
Ani, ako silver coin na. Padayan ni Pilotam. Thank you.
Sana akong glausan. Iyaman.
And advance happy New Year.
Yay!
Oh, happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Okay.